Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, it is a beautiful day. We're here in Colorado, getting ready to go up to Billmore Lake, do some camping. Bigger part of this trip is going to be the Overland Mountain West Expo this weekend as well. We're going to do a Saturday tour of that, but for the short term, we're just going to, instead of spending the entire weekend there camping in the parking lot, it just didn't sound fun for us. We wanted to see a few different places, take the new Jeep out and see how well it does. Let's get this thing to Billmore. Well, not sure where we're going now. Looks like the path we were following on Gaia for Billmore was a hiking trail. So now we're gonna go further forward. I know we got about a mile more of private property, but then it looks like we're on Jeep Road, which sounds good, and it looks like there's lakes there. So let's see what we got. Life's an adventure. Yeah, we made it. It's not Billmore Lake, it's one of the other lakes that's up here. I think we're on Jeep Road. We got a couple people tent camping to the side of us, and then some overlanders to the other side as well. Well, I guess the tent campers are also overlanders, but we're pretty far away from everybody, so it is awesome. And check out this view. All right, so what exactly are you doing?
Just trying to save some fishing line.
And where did you find the fishing line?
Just laying on over by that stump.
Over on the ground. You found a hook, right?
Yeah, that hook. In my chair right there, so I can sit on it.
All right, so you found a fishing hook. And that is, what, spike antler?
Yeah, just the end of an antler. It'd be nice, smooth. I'll be able to tie the line on here and hang on to it, take it, and wing it out. Just screwing around, man. Just screwing around.
And this is why you take Matt wherever you go.
Except for I lost my fishing line.
Right in front of you on the stick.
Oh no.
Go to bed. It was a great day. Long drive up here, rode up to Chen's Reservoir, wasn't bad at all. Leveling the Jeep was a challenge. If you're new to overlanding, new to camping, plan on forgetting things. And I kind of did. We got ready for this trip in Nebraska, and it was 100 degrees. I built screens to keep and let cool air in at night. I did not expect to get up here and have it so cold. In fact, I accidentally packed a hoodie, and I'm glad I accidentally did that. So we're going to town tomorrow, restock on groceries. That's always been our plan, but while we're there, we're going to pick up a few things that we didn't quite think about. For me, yeah, a coat. A coat would be nice. Maybe a little bit bigger pillow. This little pillow of mine's just not enough. But thank you for coming along today. Tomorrow, don't know what we're doing. I know we're going to town to restock. We're probably going to film some of the RCs. If you're into remote control cars and remote control rock crawling, go check out my other channel, Scott Off-Road RC. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day, and we'll see you tomorrow.